What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back with another quick tip for your GoPro Hero products. I've got the dual battery charger for my new GoPro Hero 8. It comes with a battery, plus I bought an extra battery, and then the GoPro comes with a battery. So I've got 3 batteries, so I've got this dual charger. It will charge 2 batteries, hence the name, dual charger, simultaneously, so to get you back up and running. You'll notice it has the GoPro name on the front. Your batteries also have the GoPro name on the front. Now, if you're running the GoPro Hero 8, you may or may not know, you need the batteries with the blue bottom to make sure you can run all your features. I think it's the new Hyperlapse 2.0, I think, that requires these different batteries. So to use the charger, you have the names both facing towards you, and then you just drop your battery in. And again, if you're looking at the name on the battery and the charger, that's exactly the way it goes in. It's got a USB-C. The wire comes with it, plugs into the side, and standard USB on the other side, so you can plug into your car's USB or any other USB port that you have and charge up your 2 batteries. So there you have it, the dual charger by GoPro for the Hero models. So for your dual charger for your GoPro, you get your charging block, and then you that stupid block goes the other direction. That's all good. Alright, so I'm wondering if there's any oh, there we go. The lights are right on the side on the top to let you know what's going on with your charge status. So we're gonna let these babies charge up. Check this out. And it's actually easier to see it on camera compared to in person. But the yellow light means it's charging, and the green light means it's charged. Check it out. So with the GoPro Hero 8, to install your battery, you've got your GoPro logo on the front. Same with the battery, GoPro logo on the front. So if you're looking at your battery and your unit and you can see GoPro on both of them, then you know you're putting your battery in the right direction. So push it all the way in. Your GoPro comes with another USB cord. That way you can charge directly from your GoPro if you don't have the dual charger like I got with mine. So you plug that in and then plug that in to your USB port to charge it as well. Thanks for watching.